if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is LESEDI at LESEDI_creatives_ on Instagram. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my creative space. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel when you're done watching. Also, do click the little bell up above so you can get notifications on new videos. Comments down below, like this video, and share with your loved ones. So I'm back again at your service, and today I'm going to be talking about shoes. Now, because we are in the winter season and we have nowhere to go, I thought, why not, mention some of the boots that I felt like were a hit and a miss, and whether or not I would have been wearing them again out this winter compared to last winter. Now, we know that we're not going anywhere, and well, none of the stuff that I'm going to be showing now is new. Everything is from my closet. Everything is what I've been having. And then, you guys, if you had seen my previous video, you would have seen that I was talking about jackets. Today, I'm going to dive into boots. So just look at it as a continuation of the what's in my closet essential. So now is a what's in my shoe closet essential. So I'm going to be talking about, well, first off, I want to start with the trendiest ones that we saw literally everywhere. We're talking Public Desire, we're talking Castello, we're talking literally Fashion Nova, we're talking H&M, we're talking literally a Pretty Little Thing, Misguided. This shoe was even on Superbalist. This shoe was literally everywhere. So in no particular order, I'm gonna start with my first one. And don't judge me. Yes, my shoes live in a box. Some of them live in a box and some are out. So the first shoe I'm gonna start with is a Castello style. This is the box it comes in. This was a collaboration between Castello and Public Desire. I think they had brought the shoe into the store. I'm a size 5 and these are red lycra thigh-high boots. Girl, listen, I won't lie, when this shoe came out, I was like, I have to have this type of shoe, and I was crazy over it. I was like, I need to have me a thigh-high red boot. And I was, if you're a person who follows trends, you would know that this shoe was super trendy. It only became very trendy last year in 2019. And in 2018, that's when I was like, yes, I have to have this shoe. So when I saw it at the Castello store, I was literally dying, death, dead, all of the above. I love this shoe, and I've only worn it once. So I would like to know if this is a hit or a miss. This is the shoe. Guys, this was a great shoe. Like also very comfortable. The only thing I hated with this boot is that this was not tight enough. I don't know if I was skinnier back then, honey, or now I'm just, I don't know. But this thing kept on rolling down, so I had to pick it up quite a lot when I was walking in them. But they're very comfortable. I love the fact that the heel was very thick, so it made it easier to walk in. I'm a size 5 and I only wore this shoe once. Am I gonna wear it again? Probably. I think we can make it work. I think once we have a good red coat, this we can pop on and make it work. My second shoe also listen, when I got this shoe, I was like, I need to have this one as well. Like I wasn't stopping for anybody. I was going ham. I was like, I need to have me those. And I saw these exact same shoes. They were worn by Kylie. Yes, Kylie wore them, and I was like, I need them shoes. I need a thigh-high purple boot. This is also from Castello, in collaboration with Public Desire. Listen, we see this stuff and we see it probably like a year earlier, and they're not here in South Africa. And that time, I don't think brands like Public Desire used to ship to South Africa, but I don't know about brands like Misguided or like Fashion Nova or all those trendy websites. I don't know if they were as popular as they are now, but I know back in the day literally I saw this shoe and I was like, I want to have it, because I was looking for it when I saw it on Kylie and I couldn't find it anywhere. The only place I could find it was Public Desire, and even then it was sold out. So when I saw it in Castello, I was like, yes, my girl, I need to have it. It comes in a box like this, and this was 1.9, so basically 2,000 rand for a shoe. In my opinion, this was worth it. It was worth it. This literally goes to the top of the thigh, and never worn it. Never worn this shoe out, ever. I don't want to lie. Like, it was one of those, like when you're chasing clouds and when you see everybody wear it and you're like, yes, I want. Listen, never wore this shoe out, never. And I'm so embarrassed actually to say. The heel is fairly comfortable, but I don't know if I were to struggle when I go out with them. Listen, I would give this shoe a chance. I think these are one of the shoes that you could still, like, definitely still give a chance. The color is quite crazy, but again, I'm wearing a yellow beret and a yellow jacket. Nothing is crazy for me, so this is great. I love it. I'm still giving this a chance. I think I could still rock it like on a day out, to fashion week, something very exciting. But yes, we love it. Another one, very trendy, very trendy. A very trendy shoe. It's even dusty, like this. Another thigh high. Guys, do you remember how crazy people went for this shoe? People went ham over this shoe. Like, I regretted it the moment. Like, I got it in a week. I think I shot with it and never worn it out. Like, and listen, I'm not even proud of this because this was a waste. Like, it was a waste, I don't want to lie. And this was a super trendy shoe. I don't think I'll ever wear this ever again. I don't know, or maybe I can make it work. And I got these because I have a silver similar type of color jacket, so it was a bomber coat, and I was like, yes, my bomber jacket, this shoe, honey, I'm rocking it. I took a picture with these and never worn them out ever again. Is it a hit? It was a hit. Now it's definitely a miss. Yeah, sorry girl. The next, no, actually, I don't want to talk about this one right now. This one, the box is a little damaged. This is also from Castello. It comes in a huge box like this. When I got this shoe, I remember I was still working at Mac at the time, and I was so crazy in love with this shoe. I'm like, I need to have. Like, my glitter fantasy was going out the window at that time. I was screaming and dying for these shoes, and I wanted to get them. Immediately when I got paid, I'm like, yes, drop my coins at Castello, and they were very trendy. I don't want to lie. These were super trendy. They also come in a bag like this. It says Takiri Smala, so, but I got these at Castello. Never worn them either. Guys, actually this hurts my heart. Like, I feel so heartbroken. Like, how do I do this? How? Literally everybody wore this. Listen, all the slay queens, all the basketball wives, all the, literally every single it girl, the Kardashians, the whatever, they wore this shoe. And listen, clout was chasing me. It was. This is this. And like, is it a hit? It definitely was a hit. Is it a miss? I don't think it's a miss. I think we could still give this one a bit of a chance. It's also because these type of boots are coming back, and they're coming back in a different style. So I definitely think we can get away with wearing these. Let's give it like another 2 years. I think I can give this another 2 years. It's like mid-length thigh. When I got these, I thought they were going to be like banged up, like my foot would dangle in it, but they're quite tight. So for skinny girls, I think they would be able to rock this, but it don't matter because I'm gonna rock it anyway. So yeah, I still want to give the shoe a chance. It was a very expensive shoe, and I regret not wearing it yet. And I thought, you know what, 2020 will be the day, or will be the year I will be wearing my shoes, and look where we are now. But can still give it a bit of a year or two, and Definitely rocking this out with my mans. Another shoe that I want to talk about is this boot. My mom got me this, and when she got it, it was a long time ago. It is those horse riding boots, and when I got it, I was like, girl, no. But then never worn it either. So, but then I grew to love these. These are like those horse riding boots. I don't know how much these were, and I don't know where she got them. But now that I'm older, I'm like, I can rock that. I can definitely rock that. It's not that bad, you know. Back, yes, the color was off-putting, and the fact that it were flats, I was just like, maybe not. But now I can definitely wear like a nice maybe cream jacket or a dress with them, look very cowboyish, and you know, that vibe. Speaking of cowboy shoes, I'm gonna go to another trend, which is still quite fresh. These are shoes by Tusoni, and I got these for 2.9. Why do I keep doing this? I got these for 2.9. These are, I think they were in South Africa. You get them at Sokrati, or I got them from Sokrati. And this, never worn either. I've never worn this shoe before, but remember Tumblr days? This was, I think this was like 2017. This was a 2017, and it started growing in South Africa 2018. But I think we can still give this a chance. The whole cowboy thing, we were seeing it, you know. It was definitely something that people were getting into. So I think I can give this a bit of a chance. These are beautiful, never worn before either. I don't know why I do this to myself, but I think I can give this boot a chance. It's beautiful. I love the buckles. I love the fact that it has these thingies. It's drawn all over. I love this. It's so edgy. It's so trendy with a nice big brimmed hat and a suit. Listen, I'll wear this. And then another one. These are from Plum Footwear, and these were 850. This was also a trend. They were hot at the time. They were hot. They come in a little thing like this, and these were the Perspex heel. Yo, I remember when Perspex heel came, and I was just like, I saw it on the Dior runway, and I was just like, yes, come through. And then smaller brands started getting into the whole Perspex heel, and then they were knocked off like crazy. And that's the reason why I got them from Plum, because they were knocked off a lot. Do I think this was a hit? Yes, it was a hit. Is it a miss? I don't know. I think if you're that girl to wear something for it, I think you can still rock the shoe, but yeah, not the same way. Like, it was, you know, the problem with this stuff is that when it gets into peak, when they start peaking, everyone don't know about it. We look at the runway shows and we want to have it. You start searching for them, like, where can I find this, where can I find this, where can I find this, and then you don't find them. And then a year passes by, and then stores start knocking them off, and then you're like, okay, but then they're still quite pricey. And then you're like, okay, let's wait. And then by the time you're waiting, everyone else is jumping on the bandwagon, and everyone else is like, that boot, Perspex. Once it hits Zara, it was over. Like, it was over. I remember I found some at Zara and I wanted to buy it, but the Zara didn't have no sizes, because I'm a size 5, so that's like the common size. Zara didn't have any sizes, and I was just bummed. And I went to Zoom and, well, to Plum, to the Plum store in Mainland, and that's where I found them. I remember there was a black and the same color, but I liked the red. I don't know. Now, my next shoe is this one. This is definitely I've worn it out of this shoe. Like, this is from 9 West. Do you guys still remember 9 West? This is how old the shoe is. I love this shoe. It's very trendy. It reminds me of the Balenciaga boot currently, or the one that they released last year, and similar vibes. That's why I still think this is still a hit. It's you know, it's shiny, it's faux, it's beautiful. Yeah, I think I can still rock this a little bit more with a nice blazer or a leather blazer with this and some jeans and some shades. You can still make it a look. Next one is this one. Yay, you guys remember this was from Zara, and yeah, this was from Zara. Not a lot of people like jumped on this shoe, to be honest. This is when the rise of kitten heels started coming in, you know. This was not that, like, it's not that long ago. I think we can get away with this type of boot. I still love this. Yeah, was this a hit? Definitely a hit. Is it a miss? No, I don't think it's a miss. We can get away with wearing it. Give it another 2 to 3 years, will be good. It's very, this embroidery on it makes it look like, it gives it like a vintagey antique touch, so making it like a classic type of shoe. So that's why I think 2 to 3 years I can still wear these. Listen, I wanna, when you hear the word trend, on trend, the girlies loved the shoe. I remember, like, the only thing I hated about the shoe, I remember I wanted the shoe for a shoot and for fashion week. I remember I was going to fashion week and I needed a black shoe, and I was like, I need a boot, a sock boot. Guys, remember sock boots? This is the sock boot the girlies ate up. The girlies were obsessed with these boots. The only thing that annoyed me and still annoy me to this day is the fact that it has this writing on them. These were from Zara, and till today when I wear of this boot, sorry, I wore these boots, like I wore them out. And when I wore these, everybody was like, still today everyone still asks me, they said, where do you get those, where do you get those? And sock boots, I think sock boots are still a thing. Yes, they are getting lighter and lighter and more sockier than ever. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah, this one, is it a hit? It was a hit, definitely was a hit. Is it a miss? I think it's a miss right now. The fact that it still has this writing. If I wanted to revive the shoe, I think I can. Yeah, I think I can remove this because it's not attached to the whole shoe. I think I can unpick it and wear it without the thing. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Maybe I can leave it until here and then it says post, but what's post? Yeah, because post, love, pre, what the hell, you know? So yeah, definitely think this is a mess right now. It's gone, but we loved it. We rode it out, we walked it out, and yeah, that is, yeah, so that is it for today's video. I didn't want to do a whole lot of things at once because I feel like I don't want it to be unnecessarily long. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.